Hello and welcome to another tutorial. This time we'll be looking at designing a bitcrushed grime pad. This sound is somewhat similar to my ESCI lead but with a few key differences. So this is the sound soloed. As always, this preset will be made available in the description below the video. So what we're going to do is add a new MIDI channel, and we're going to drag Serum into the channel, and we're going to rename it bitcrushed pad, and we're going to change the color and just take it down 10 dB to avoid any clipping. And we can just drag this MIDI over. This time we'll be using triangle wave, so go to the basic shapes and choose triangle wave, and we'll increase the unison to 16 voices. Because this is a pad sound, we want it to fade in slowly, which is why I'm going to increase the attack quite substantially. I also want the sound to fade out after a while, so I'm going to take the sustain all the way down, and I'm going to push out the decay a bit. We can also add a bit of glide for more movement. And also because glide is a common feature of a lot of grime synth sounds, whether it be leads, pads, or basses. I'm also going to add a filter for more movement. And we're going to modulate the cutoff of this filter with LFO1. So we want to put it to rate 1/2. We want to put it on envelope mode, so it only triggers once per MIDI note. We want to create this sort of ramp up sawtooth shape. We want to drag it to the filter cutoff. And you want to modulate the filter cutoff in an anti-clockwise direction. Finally, we can add a bit of noise. You can keep it like this. I personally prefer to have the noise go through the filter as well. So now that we've made the sounds, I'm going to add a bit crushing plugin afterwards to create a bit more texture. In this case, I'm going to use this free crush plugin, which I will link in the description. And I'm just going to tweak crush to get the desired effect. As you might know from some of my other tutorials, I prefer to do things in parallel if I can, so that's what I'm going to do here. I'm going to make sure the dry is all the way down and it's 100% wet. And yeah, just rename these. So this is the clean channel, and this is the bitcrushed channel. What I can do now, or what the advantage of parallel processing is that I can EQ the crush plugin specifically. So I can take out some very high frequencies from here. We're just going to EQ out some rumble as well, especially because the noise will create some rumble, and there's a chance that crush could add some rumble as well. And now we're going to mix in some reverb and delay, which I've got on some sends here. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please do like and subscribe. My Serum preset pack is available below the video. Any comments welcome. And yeah, I'll see you next time.